Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday and it's a very special Wednesday because it is little Tony's birthday today. So he turned 12 years old. Time is flying by and I'm getting a little sad. I'll probably get a little emotional today because my baby is just growing up on me for real. But so we decided that we're gonna just do a little party, just the three of us. Tony wants to do a seafood boil. He loves crawfish and oysters. So Tony's gonna get off work early today. He's gonna go pick up everything. We're gonna have us a little seafood boil, maybe bake some cupcakes, just something that we can do because there's not much that we can do at all. So we're just gonna chill around the house and enjoy it, let him enjoy his day. The plan was originally we were planning on buying him the laptop for his birthday because I wanted to get for Christmas, but Tony was saying we spent enough money, so let's just push it to his birthday. And that's what the laptop was supposed to be, a birthday gift, but we had to go ahead and buy the laptop early because he needs it for his schoolwork. So he didn't really want anything else, so I don't know, you know, we'll figure something out, but we're gonna try to make sure that he has a good day. As you know, his little cousins and stuff can't come over, so you know, we're just gonna be chilling for the rest of the day. I just pull my hair back in this little bun, so I'm gonna probably just throw on a hoodie and some sweats. I need to wash my comforter. And I usually do that on the weekend, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do it now because I'm just in the mood to clean. Y'all ever get like that? Just be in the mood to clean up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up a little bit and then wait for Tony to come home with the oysters and the crawfish, and I'll cook the crawfish and stuff. We'll probably watch some movies and stuff like that. I don't eat oysters. I don't like them. They're just not my cup of tea. I'd rather eat mussels than oysters. I just cannot do oysters. So I'll pick up the camera again a little bit later on and let you guys see what's going on in the Brown house on Tony's birthday. But I know all of y'all are wishing him a happy birthday. I thank you to all of you guys that wished him a happy birthday. Y'all, so this is what I'm wearing to the party. Just some little loungewear that I bought from Boohoo. They sent me the wrong size. I ordered a 12. And because it's supposed to fit really loose and comfortable, you know, just something to wear around the house, and they ended up sending me a 16. So I have it tied up in the back, but I'm still able to get it looking a little decent. And then it came with this ugly hoodie, and I didn't like the way it looked. It was just too much, and I didn't feel like trying to send this stuff back. So I said, well, you know what, I'll just make it work. So I ended up cutting the hoodie off. The shorts are huge because, like I said, this is a size 16. But it's okay. Like, they come way up here. Look at this. Like, it's nice and comfy, so it's all right. Remember I told y'all I ordered the taco holders. I've always wanted some taco holders because y'all know that we do tacos all the time, and I hate for my tacos to fall over. Everything falls out of the taco. So now I have these and I don't have to worry about that happening. So they're really cool. It's 2 of them, and you know, if you're really hungry and you want to have 6 tacos, just do it like this. So we're getting ready to make some cupcakes. It's saying you can make 24 cupcakes, but I just have this little small tray right here for 6 because we don't need that many cupcakes. So I'm not going to use this whole box. And then I have some vanilla frosting. So Tony will really like this. So we're going to do it together. I'm not too sure if he wants to be on camera or not, but this is what we're getting ready to do. So Yeah, while we're waiting on the cupcakes, I'm gonna make us some asparagus. I'm here to Tony's making some boiled eggs. So we're just snacking right now. Here is my lunch. This is actually breakfast and lunch because I didn't have breakfast, but y'all know I like to have mushrooms with my asparagus, and I just season it with lemon pepper, lemon juice, and garlic powder, and it is so delicious. Tony had some too, but he wanted some boiled eggs. The crawfish are here, but we had to go with a different brand this time because the brand I like to use, they were all out. I actually hate this brand, but Tony really wanted crawfish, so I'm gonna let these soak in some water. We got a few bags. And we have a little mini chocolate cake. I can't open it. Little mini chocolate cake because the one that he liked, they didn't have any available. So, and here's the oysters. So I know you can't wait for these, right?
Oh, yum yum.
All right, we got the crawfish pot going. They look good. I season my pot pretty much the same way that I do my crabs, but I just add a little bit of spice. So let me show y'all what I use. So I like to use the crawfish seasoning, but I don't have any of that. So where is it? Oh, right here. So I use some of this, and it's just the Badia Louisiana Cajun seasoning. The only time I use this is when I'm doing the crawfish, because y'all know I like the crawfish to just have a little bit of spice. So that's the only time that I use this, but it's really good. So we're gonna get this going. Are you happy?
Heck yeah. Better eat. I just better come up here and ask you if you...
Yeah, his little birthday balloons.
Alright, I'm back. What are y'all doing?
Y'all, this boy, he don't want to have no little party. This is what he want to do. He ordered some Roblox, what is it?
It's Robux.
Robux to play on this game, and now he happy. What is this? What you playing now?
I'm playing Apex with my friends Liz and Ray Bond.
Oh, your cousin?
And his little girlfriend.
What? Ray got a girlfriend?
Yup.
Y'all, so my masks finally came in. So I have this little leopard one, and then just a black one, and then little Tony has 2 black ones. So that's all we have for right now, but something is telling me that this is like gonna be the new thing, so I need to like rack up. But we ordered 2, like the last time I went to Target that same day, we ordered these and they just came in yesterday. The ones that Tony, y'all hear him, the ones that my husband ordered, his hasn't came in yet. So but yeah, look all right. So we washed them and everything. So
I don't like them. Big, nice thick ones too, bro. Ooh wee. Look at full.
yeah, so we're gonna boil them. Most of the time we do them on the grill, but we're not grilling today.
You need to find the top.
I had a top.
Where's it?
I get it.
It won't take long. When you bust open. Oh yeah, I just set them in the water. You know, basically a regular crab boil, but I just set them in the water and watch them and make sure they well, wait till they bust open. Depending on how cooked you like them, you can take them out early or leave them there a little longer. You know how when you cook oysters, how they are. Let me get the top. So this is how we like them, y'all. Like as soon as they open up, done. See, they open, cracking open just like that. They done. About to take them out.
Look, y'all. They pretty big.
Oh man, it's been forever. Ugh.
That nigga hot.
It's a seafood boil, but I just wanted to add a couple of them with the sauce on it.
How is it?
But he's gonna eat these too. So, Tony, you ready? You got your dip right here. All right, y'all, here's my food. So I just did the crawfish and one Dungeness crab.